got another message for you. 2 in one day. The message is that, especially for all the men out there who are hustling, women as well, who are grinding, the one thing that weighs down on us the most deep inside is when we say we're going to do something and we don't do it. And instead of collecting little wins here, waking up early, doing your bed, drinking a juice and water over coffee or a shake, and instead of collecting little wins, what we're doing is we're collecting little losses. We forget something. We forget to put the alarm on. We wake up late. We forget to take our food to work or to a meeting. And these things slowly decrease our dopamine level, our serotonin level, and they make us feel a little bit depleted. And that's how we lose our self-esteem. That's how we lose our confidence just a little bit every single day. And then before you know it, we get ourselves into a rut where we're just literally sat there, or we're forced to just get onto our knees and pray and be like, God, just please, what is it that I'm doing? And the answer is right in front of you all the time. It's you, it's us. We're the answer, we're the problem, and we're also the solution. So the message is, collect wins, little wins every single day, as many as you can. And at the end of the day, be grateful that you managed to find the willpower to break through the old conditioning, the negative habits, the low vibrational frequency that keeps you grounded on the level where you're always stressed, you can't focus, you're always depleted. So that's the message of the day. Collect little wins over little losses.